So my question is, with the reveal yesterday that Cap is saying Hail Hydra, you know, in the most recent comic, and you being Team Cap, how do you feel about that? How do you feel that he's on that side?
How do I feel about what?
Well, I want to tell you that I read about that. Just as you did. I know nothing about it. I just read on the internet. They mentioned it. It's a hell of a clever idea. I don't know that I would ever have thought of it. And for him to be a double agent, but it's going to make you curious. It's going to make you want to read the books. They'll probably do a movie based on it. So I think Paul did. It's a good idea. I think it's crazy, but it's a good idea.